How's it going, guys? This is Dave XP, and on this tutorial I'm going to take a look at the process of painting freckles in Photoshop. So here we go. Okay, let's start by just creating a new layer on top of the shading, and we're going to name it Freckles. Now the brush that I'm going to use, it's actually called Freckles, so it's basically made for this specific purpose, and you can actually get it on the link below. So what it does is that it just creates this nice uneven pattern that can really speed up the process of creating the freckles. So it's very important for this layer that we use the blending mode called Multiply. Now I like to start with the opacity of the layer to about 32%, and I'm going to pick one of the colors from the lips by just pressing Alt and click on the color that you want. Now to finish up these settings, I'm just going to change the flow to about 40%. And this is just so the brush releases less particles as we make the strokes. And now here is just a matter of painting these very subtle freckles around the face. We don't have to paint anything too dark. I always say this about the process, is that you always start with something subtle and keep building from there. So now it's enough to just kind of hint at where the freckles are going to be placed. Okay, so now I'm going to make a second variation for the freckles. So I'm going to make a new layer and set it up again to the blending mode Multiply. But this time I'm going to set the opacity to 50%. And this means that the freckles that I paint on this layer are going to be darker than the previous ones. We're going to leave the flow the same, but we're going to use a bigger brush. The idea here with this brush is to keep making these variations. So this way at the end it will just feel much more organic. And you can keep doing this, you can keep changing these parameters, and at the end the idea is that you find those settings that works best for you, but especially for your character. So for example, here I can just change the opacity to 40% to have a more subtle version of the previous brush. And from now on, I'm just going to keep repeating the same process. Just keep making more variations, and again, you can keep changing the size, the flow, and the opacity of the brush. So that's it for this tutorial. I really hope you learn about how to make these freckles. And if you like this brush and you want to check the other ones that I have, you can actually get them on the link below. And by getting them, you'll be also supporting this channel so I can keep making these kind of videos. So that's it for this one, and I'll be seeing you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.